Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about how to cancel Bronzii tanning gummies subscription. So first of all, you need to visit on the official website, and when you are on the official website there is a icon like profile icon. You need to tap on this icon. Once you tap on this icon, it will redirect you on this kind of a screen. You need to enter your email ID and you need to tap on this arrow button, and once you tap this button they will send you a code. You need to enter the code. You will get your code on your email ID in your inbox or your spam folder. Once you enter your code, you logged in into your account, and once you logged in into your account, you can manage your subscription. If this method will not work for you, you can also do one thing. You can contact your credit card provider. Because why I'm saying this thing, because in today's time there are so many brands available on internet. They are making this kind of a scam like hidden subscription and all. So you can do one thing. You can contact your credit card provider. They will cancel your credit card and you will get a new credit card, and all unwanted subscription will end automatically. So this is the last and the easy option to cancel your these kind of unwanted or hidden subscriptions. Okay, so if you have any issues, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.